All right, in this short video, we're going to talk very quickly about notebooks. I've talked to my class about this, 5D, but I haven't talked to everybody else. So this is kind of my expectations of notebooks and the best way to do notes, okay? So your notes should kind of look like this, okay? You notice up here, I'm going to ask a question or questions at the beginning of every lesson, and I want you to put an answer down, okay? Take a risk. It's okay. No one's going to know. All right, and then what's going to happen is all throughout these videos, I'm going to stop and we're going to pause and we're going to do something called a brain dump, where you're going to have to try and remember everything that I talked about. Well, not everything. That would be, I mean, maybe everything. Depends. So you're going to pause and you're going to write down everything that you can remember. And then we're just going to move on with our lives. So don't try and write down notes as I'm speaking, okay, or as you're watching, because as you're writing them down, you're not paying attention to what's happening soon, and you're gonna miss something. Okay, so up here it's going to be your answer to the kind of pretest question. Here is kind of where you write down all of your brain dumps, maybe even some questions that you have. And then at the bottom here, you're going to re-answer the pretest. So it's like a pretest and a post-test. I think that's about it. If you want to get into like bullet journaling and stuff, I'd look that up. So we're not going to talk about table of contents, but as notes, like this is what they should look like.